Welcome to the video. Here we will see how to prepare system for correct localization of WiseImage for AutoCAD. Let's get started. So here are the steps you should follow to prepare the systems for correct localizations for WiseImage for AutoCAD. Step number 1. Uninstall all CSoft applications based on AutoCAD. Number 2. Remove registry profiles from AutoCAD registry profiles. Number 3. Restore original AutoCAD.CUIX in user roaming for all installed AutoCAD. Number 4. Delete CSoft CUIX file from user roaming. Number 5. Check all AutoCAD versions. They shouldn't have any information of previously installed CSoft applications. Let's go deep of these steps and discuss further. So the first things, you need to uninstall all CSoft application based on AutoCAD. So you can go to control panel and you should remove all the WiseImage for AutoCAD. Remove registry profiles from AutoCAD registry profiles. Old style information about WiseImage is stored in AutoCAD profile. To be sure that you will work with newly created CUIX file, you should manually remove all old informations from AutoCAD profile. All user data are located in hotkey user current. Do not edit hotkey local machines. In hotkey current user, please find Autodesk and in the AutoCAD section, and you can follow the path hotkey current underscore user slash. Then you can go to the directory of software, Autodesk and AutoCAD. So this section contains profiles from all installed AutoCAD versions. So now you can see the all installed AutoCAD versions in this section. Hotkey underscore current underscore user, and then software, and then Autodesk, and then the versions. So each section has one or more AutoCAD versions, and next info will illustrate how remove WiseImage informations on AutoCAD 2013. The same procedure you should repeat for all installed AutoCAD. So to check for profile section, you should go to the registry and you just click on profile and you will see the unnamed profile. So you need to remove all the profiles with WiseImage. So as you can see, you need to remove all the profiles. Then open unnamed profile and remove all WiseImage informations from menus and toolbar. Right, so you should go to profile and then menus and toolbar. You should remove all the WiseImage informations. That is all. Then repeat this for all other AutoCAD versions. To do not repeat this procedure every time, you should create .reg files with clear AutoCAD profiles. Right? So that will save a lot of time, and you can run the registry files and the profiles will remove automatically. So for this, I'll call right button menu from R19O, then for other versions, and choose export, right? As you're seeing on the screen, you just right click and then choose export, then save this file with name ACAD19.reg. Open this file in text editor and add one string. As you are seeing on the screen, so it's copy of first section name but with minus symbol before. So as you can see, it means that whole section will be removed first and then restore this reg file, right? So create such file for all AutoCAD versions. Then after WiseImage uninstalled, just double click on necessary registration file and all data of WiseImage will be removed from AutoCAD profile. So it's a time save. Restoring original AutoCAD CUIX in user roaming for all install AutoCAD. When you install WiseImage, reference from our CUIX files goes into main AutoCAD CUIX file, right? So ACAD.CUIX, which is located in user roaming, probably this is the path. So on your case, the username will be different, and we can't easily improve it, but we can restore it from AutoCAD user cache. For this, please copy correspondent ACAD.CUIX from repository to roaming. Copy, and you can see the path. So you should be copying from this path to this path, right? So then you should remember all your customizations and links to other applications for AutoCAD will be removed from AutoCAD environment. It's like you start AutoCAD first time. Repeat this procedure for all AutoCAD versions. Delete CSoft CUIX file from user roaming as well. Also, you should remove WiseImage CUIX and MNR and DLL files from CSoft roaming. So you will be finding these files in this directory. So you can go to user and then app data roaming CSoft, and you will find those files. So now check all AutoCAD versions. They shouldn't have any informations of previously installed CSoft applications. Start all AutoCAD version to check that if you finish this work correctly. So for future, you can prepare Windows batch file for automatic WiseImage uninstall and system cleaning. Also, it's better do not install more than one WiseImage for AutoCAD version at one time. If you are going to work with another version of WiseImage for AutoCAD, please install current version of WiseImage for AutoCAD first. It will reduce confusion during a translation process. Okay, so let us know in the comment section if you need a batch file to perform the operations. It's easy to execute these batch files. You just need to double click and the batch file will execute. So it will perform the removing process for you, right? So in the batch file, you probably need to change the paths to your files only. so the batch file will be ready for your local use, right? So that's it. So these are the process and you just need to follow before you start the localizations for WiseImage for AutoCAD. So this is all. Thank you very much for your time.